Well, I just came out here today for about an hour and cut and loaded 2 loads of firewood, and I can honestly say that the pinch-a-log is a great firewood accessory, and it really helps out because I feel no strain in my back at all. It may take just a little bit more time, but it's time well spent. And the SawHaul, it's great too, because it's keeping my chainsaw safe. Before, I would have it in my bed, it would be bouncing around. Now it's in its holder, in the scabbard, and it's not taking up any room in my bed because I never left my chainsaw in the fields, even when I was taking loads back and forth to the house. So it was always taking up room in the bed, and now it doesn't. So I highly recommend these 2 firewood accessories. I just wanted to give you all an update on our new wood stove. Last night it had its very first true test. It got down to 5 degrees last night. And we woke up this morning, the furnace was still running, and the house was 70 degrees. So we are very happy that we made this investment. It's really going to change things for us here at our farmhouse. So until next time, everybody, thanks for watching.